Today we're going to make a Christmas tree chain decoration.
For today's craft, you need some glue, a pencil, scissors, a ruler, and some paper. I'm using green and red for my paper train, and then I have a little bit of yellow and purple to add to my decorations, but you can use whatever colors you would like. So grab what you would like, and let's get started. The first thing I want to do is start with that paper chain. So I'm actually going to take both of my pieces of paper and put them together. You could do this one at a time, but I'm just doing it the faster way. I have my paper long side, top to bottom, short side, left to right. I'm going to take my ruler, and I'm going to use my whole ruler. I'm just going to line it up, take my pencil, and draw a line down the side. I'm going to move it over and do that again. So this is going to be the thickness of my chain today. If you wanted a thicker chain, you could just make these long, thin rectangles much thicker. Now, because I have two pieces of paper, this is going to be a double. So this will be one red and one green. So this is how many chains I'm going to end up with. You could make yours longer or shorter depending on how many you make. There we go. I'm just going to stop there just to show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to get started with cutting. So now I'm going to cut all these lines. Once I have all those cut, I am ready to glue them. So when I glue, I'm gluing one end to the other like this. This is going to be a really big loop. You could make it a smaller loop if you want to glue them a little bit closer together. You get to decide. I like a little bit of a smaller loop, so all I'll do is put quite a bit of glue on one end and roll around to the size I like it. And then stop. And that's what I have. Now for the second one, what you're going to do is put glue on, and then you putting it right through the first loop that you created, and you're gluing it down, trying to make it the same size. And that's what mine looks like. So I'm just going to keep going with all of my strips of paper. I'm going to make mine a pattern, so I'm going to do red, green, and then red again. You could have all green, you could have all red, you could have added white. Once you know how to create the chain, then you can be as creative as you want. So I'm just going to keep going. Now this is my chain. You could make yours longer or shorter. I'm just going to stop there to show you what to do next. I'm going to now take a little bit of that green paper that I have left over, and I am going to fold it over. So I'm just taking a little bit, folding it over, maybe about 4 fingers worth. Take my pencil and I'm going to draw half a tree. I'm going to start right up here at the top, and I'm going to kind of curve down a little bit. So we have a little curve. I'm going to come out, then come back in. So I'm coming in a little bit. Then I want the next one to be a little bit bigger. So I'm going to come out even further, and then come down again and stop at that same spot. So I'm stopping here, and the next one's going to be coming out even further. Almost like, see, I have no more paper left. And then I'm going to come down all the way here to the bottom. And I'm going to come straight down. So before I hit the end, I'm coming straight down. So here's where my fold line was. I curved out, then in a little bit, out a little bit more, then back in, and out even more, and then back, 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 back down, and I left a little space, and I'm going to cut that out. When I open it up, I have myself a tree, and now I'm going to decorate my tree. So I am going to use some of the colors that I have here. I'm going to take the yellow and fold a little piece of that over to make a star. I'm using my fold line again. I'm going to make half a star and then cut it out so I'll have a whole star. So to make a star, I like to start at the top and I come diagonally. Then I'm going to go another diagonal line this way, back in, another diagonal line, And then I'm going to come right back into the center. I'm going to cut this out. There we go. That's my star I have for the top. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to take some of these colors here that I have, and I think I'll just cut out a little small red here so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to just make little decorations. I'm going to put them all together just so it makes it easier, but you could do this one by one if you wanted. Fold it over and draw a little circle. That might be too big for my decorations. Maybe a little bit smaller. So draw a circle and cut that out. And then do that again so that I have lots of little decorations for my tree. And I'm going to decorate. You could decorate your tree with absolutely anything. If you have stickers, or you could draw on your tree instead of doing it this way. You could draw little candy canes. It's completely up to you.
So go ahead and decorate your tree.
And let me just show you, once I'm done, I'm going to take my tree and glue it to the top of my chain. And there we go. We have an awesome Christmas decoration.
Now that you know how to make them, you can make as many as you want. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.